Hey guys, it's Mike from the Everyman channel, and I've got something special for you today. This is the famous Santa Claus melon. Santa Claus melon. Now, everyone wants to know why it's called Santa Claus melon, and I'll tell you. I don't know. But I have a feeling it's because it becomes ripe in South America around December. And a lot of people up this way say they love it because you can pick it this time of year, which is in August, and it will store well until Christmas. So 2 reasons there. The other night, and by the way, if you'll like and subscribe, this will really help us out, and maybe you'll get to hear another recipe that you're slightly interested in. But the other night we were talking, we were making a video, and I mentioned mixing this melon with something special. And the thing that I have this super special, I'll get the clean one, is crunchy garlic from S&B. Crunchy garlic with chili oil from S&B. It is a flavor powerhouse, and if you haven't tried it, you gotta do it. You can use it on everything. We mix it simply with rice to eat a bowl of rice. It's that good. You can use it with meats, of course, all the meats, veggies, and fish even. It's not too overpowering. I like spicy foods, but I can't stand them very hot, and this stuff is not hot. It'll leave a little bit of the chili flavor in your mouth, but that's it. But the trick here is to take this wonderful white, kind of greenish yellow flavored, colored flesh, is kind of firm, and mix just a little bit of this on it, and that's it. It's real simple, and it takes only a few flakes on each piece to flavor it fully. The sesame oil and the chili oil just permeate everything. But when we all tried it that night as an experiment, everyone went nuts over it, and it sounded so ridiculous until you start thinking about a lot of Asian dishes that mix the sweet and the sour and the salty, and oh my goodness, this is good stuff. First of all, the melon's the sweetest melon I've ever had, and I think we bought 8 of them in the last month and a half. They're all equally ripe, which apparently commends it toward long storage times. It doesn't over ripen easily. And the flavor, of course, the first flavor is the sweetness on the front of your tongue. But then the chili and the roasted garlic, oh goodness. I've never used this term, but I would call it an explosion of flavor. And I'd encourage you to practice with that stuff on different dishes. But this is a treat. This would be a great appetizer. It'd be a great dessert, dessert in my opinion. Really good stuff. And you're just putting a little bit on each piece. If I can slow everything down here a little bit. There we go. Simple to prepare. It's kind of scary looking, but once you get past that, you're in business. You got to try this stuff. The only thing that would make it better is somebody thought of me. A beer. Who ever heard of drinking a beer with a melon? In this case, it's okay. The chili and the garlic make it perfect. Excellent stuff. Try it out, guys. S&B crunchy garlic. No, I don't make any money off of it, but it's good stuff. See you later.